Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Recently, we have seen increased number of drone activities in Kashmir Valley, and one cannot forget the attack on Jammu Air Base. Also, Pakistan is in collaboration with China and Turkey to procure armed drones. On another hand, India lags behind Pakistan in drones, and India is way behind in drone technology compared to China. India, which acted late in the development of drones, is now looking to procure them to fulfill its armed forces requirement. India has been eyeing drones with offensive capabilities that will increase the force's long-range attack. That requirement had led to the plan to acquire 30 MQ-9B or Sea Guardian or Sky Guardian remotely piloted aircraft system, 10 each for Navy, Army and Air Force with different payload to hunt and destroy targets over land and sea. This deal is going to cost India around 3 billion US dollars for 30 MQ-9B Predator drones. Now there are some fresh media reports regarding the procurement of these drones. As per media report, Ministry of Defence has sought more details on costing, repair and maintenance facilities to be set up in India and transfer of technology. Due to high procurement cost for 30 armed drones, the Defence Ministry wants better insight into the deal under Foreign Ministry sale, which is slightly opaque. Initially, there was plan to induct 6 MQ-9B Predator drone under fast-track induction through government-to-government deal, but the high cost of the drones has delayed the inking of the final contract. So the question is, how long it will take to acquire these drones? Now, once Defence Acquisition Council grants the permission for this project, India will issue a letter of request to US government. The final contract in turn will be inked after Washington responds to the letter of offer or acceptance and notifies the US Congress. So in order to ink the deal as soon as possible, all this process should run relatively fast since substantial discussion on these drones have already taken place. After the 15% of down payment, the rest of the installment will be spread over 5 to 6 years of span. Now, talking about MQ-9B Predator drone, it is an unmanned aerial vehicle, that is UAV, capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operation. It is designed and developed by General Atomic Aeronautical Systems. This drone has proven track record in Syria, Afghanistan, South Africa, Iran, etc. It can hunt for target and observe the terrain using multiple sensors including a thermographic camera. One claims that the onboard camera is able to read a license plate from 3.2 km away. An operator command takes 1.2 seconds to reach the drone via a satellite link. It is the best drone so far. Talking about the specifications, it has a maximum speed of 482 km per hour, cruise speed of 313 km per hour and has a range of 1900 km. It can fly continuously for 14 hours with its full load, that is with all armaments and fuels. It can fly up to 50,000 feet high in the sky and it has an operational altitude of 25,000 feet. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,760 kg and fuel capacity of 1,800 kg. It can carry maximum payload up to 1,700 kg, which includes internal payload of 360 kg and external payload of 1,400 kg. The drone have a single Honeywell TPE 33110 turbopop engine which can generate a power of 900 HP. Talking about its armament, it has 7 hardpoints in which it can carry a variety of missiles and bombs such as air-to-air rockets, air-to-ground missiles, guided and unguided bombs. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you had not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.